Welcome to NeoEnglish, a daily podcast where we help beginner learners speak practical English fast while we talk about today's news. Stock market today. Dow wavers after reports that President Trump moved to oust Fed Governor Cook, according to the Wall Street Journal.
Today we will explain the story in simple English, give examples, and teach useful vocabulary and phrases you can use in conversation about current events.
First, a short, clear summary. The Wall Street Journal reported that the president took steps to remove a Federal Reserve governor named Cook, and news of that caused the stock market, especially the Dow Jones, to go up and down. We say it wavered.
Let's explain some key words. Dow, short for the Dow Jones Industrial Average, is an index that shows the price movement of 30 big American companies. Example 1. If Apple and Coca-Cola shares rise, the Dow can go up. Example 2. If several big companies fall, the Dow can go down.
Waver means to move back and forth or to be uncertain. Example 1. The Dow wavered. It went up and then down in the same day. Example 2. My voice wavered when I was nervous. I sounded unsure.
Oust means to remove someone from their job or position. Example 1. A manager can be ousted if the company board votes him out. Example 2. A politician may try to oust an official by using legal steps or public pressure.
Fed governor refers to a member of the Federal Reserve Board. The Federal Reserve, or the Fed, is the U.S. central bank that helps control interest rates and keep the economy stable. Example 1. A Fed governor helps decide whether to raise interest rates. Example 2. If a Fed governor changes policy, banks and investors listen carefully.
Why did the market react? Markets do not like uncertainty. When investors worry that the central bank might be influenced by politics, they sell or buy quickly. That causes prices to move a lot. We call this volatility. Example 1. If traders fear instability, they sell stocks. Example 2. If traders feel safe, they buy stocks and prices rise.
The phrase live updates means journalists report new facts as they happen. So news can change quickly and the market can react minute by minute.
Here is the story in a little more background language. Reports said the president moved to remove Governor Cook, and that raised questions about the independence of the Fed. Independence means the Fed makes decisions without political pressure. Investors reacted to that news, and the Dow showed swings during the trading day.
Another way to understand this: imagine a sports team whose coach controls strategy. If the team owner suddenly tries to fire the coach for political reasons, players and fans get worried about the team's future. In finance, the Fed is like the coach for the economy. When people worry about changes, markets wobble.
Now let's focus on useful phrases and how to use them. The Dow wavered today. Use this to say the market moved up and down. Move to oust. Use it when a leader takes action to remove someone, for example, the mayor moved to oust the city manager.
More vocabulary with quick uses. Volatility. Market volatility makes investors nervous. Independence. Central bank independence is important for steady policy. Live updates. Follow live updates to get the newest information.
For beginners, practice these sentences. The Dow wavered after the news. The president moved to oust the official. Try saying them out loud twice to build confidence.
A couple of quick grammar tips. After words like waver and oust, use the subject and object. Stocks wavered, or he moved to oust the governor. Use past tense for finished actions. The Dow wavered. Use present perfect for recent events with continuing impact. The market has wavered today.
Recap of the story in one simple line. Reports that the president moved to remove Fed Governor Cook led investors to worry, and the Dow Jones moved up and down as a result.
Now the vocabulary and phrases recap. The story contains these words: Dow, waver, oust Fed governor, independence, volatility, live updates, investors. We showed how to use each word with examples and practice sentences.
If you want to hear this kind of lesson every day, remember NeoEnglish uploads a new episode daily. And if you don't want to miss the daily news, you can subscribe it.
Thanks for listening to NeoEnglish. Practice the words we covered, try the example sentences, and tune in tomorrow for another short, clear English lesson about today's news.